Hi guys, so now we are going to the hotel. I'm leaving my mother's house and I will see her tomorrow. So mommy, you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
Alright. We are finally in the car and on our way to Lucy. Woohoo! A movie I play. No. Guys, so me and my sisters are on our way to the North Coast. We're going to relax. We're going on a vacation, a mini vacation. My niece and my two sisters and Carrie. This is Carrie. She's the original driver. Like when we were younger, she was the only one with a car and a license, and she drove us everywhere. So big up original driver.
I'm gonna be a driver.
Yes, and this is yes. This is Clarice. This is Carrie's daughter, and she take her own place now. She said when she grow up, she go be a driver, and that's our big sister Sherrod. Sherrod and I used to fight for the front seat. So Carrie just remind me about that. Okay, what are you eating?
Okay, just a
Short rabbit.
Claire, just a little.
And Claire, what are you eating?
Jerk rabbit. Look at this.
Carrie, what are you eating? Oh! I'm having. I don't want your rice. What's right? So guys, we finally got to the hotel. It was dark, we were tired, and to be honest, I could not even record and talk to you guys. But I knew I could do a voiceover. So this is the entrance of the Grand Palladium Resort and Spa. And this side is the only side of the hotel that is open at the moment, and the other side, the Lady Hamilton, is closed. So we went in and got checked in, and then our driver shuttled us to our room.
The walkway to the left takes you to the seafood restaurant, the water sports beach, and one of the jerk huts.
What time the kitchen closes?
Yes.
Okay. What time is it?
9:45.
Oh, 9:45.
I got to come light.
So this is where we're coming from, the upstairs. So you're staying here. So the buffet is over there, and just past the reception where you checked in, go around, you'll find some of the a la carte restaurants.
Oh, okay.
Going there.
Who I try? Welcome home. Hi guys. I'm finally at my hotel room and I'm going to give you a mini tour. And let's start from the bathroom. So when you enter the hotel room, immediately right, you enter the bathroom. Hey, I'm in Jamaica. Okay. And what I love about this bathroom is that it has a jacuzzi. I'm gonna undress and take a bath soon. And I love also the decor. I love the mirrors on the walls. It gives the space a bigger feel, like bigger than it really is. And I also really love this sink. It's really cute. It's very small and petite. And the towel stand here and the mirror, it speaks to me somehow. I don't know how to explain it. And another thing, I like the lighting. The lighting is perfect for makeup. And here, look at this, look at this. You have your very own ring light to apply your makeup. Perfect. I don't know if you can see here. It's perfect. All right. Another thing I think is missing is a blow dryer. I don't know why that's not there, but there's a bathroom, a toilet closet, which I think is very neat. So if you're here with your partner while they're taking a bath, you can be taking a number 2. There's also a shower. So if you decide not to take a bath, you can take a shower. Guess what, guys? Look at this. The shower has a rain head. Love that. Love that. That's amazing. I'm loving this place so far. All right, there's a closet, there's a iron, there's an ironing board, there are hangers. You can hang your stuff. It's really cool. And these things are solid wood. There are more closet space. There's a safe you can put your money. Shelves. I love it. It's amazing. And there's this mirror. You know, the ladies, us ladies, we like to get ready and get dressed. So there's this mirror for when you get dressed. Perfect. Make sure you're ready to go on the road. I used to visit hotels and I didn't know what this was for. And my husband did school me. This is where you put your suitcase when you arrive and you want to unpack, or if you even want to keep your stuff in the suitcase, this is where it goes. Perfect. Perfect. It's handy for anything, any bag and stuff like that. So I know I use it a lot. And this is, yes, just under the table you have your glasses here. Under the TV. TV is right on the wall, massive. Not massive, but it's beautiful. And there's a minibar, my favorite place actually in the room, minibar. And I can drink whatever I want to. And here is like the kettle stuff you can get your tea. Beautiful room it is, beautiful it is. Right, and this is a workstation, so you can basically do your little work. So I'm a vlogger, so you know, after I take my bath in the jacuzzi, I'm gonna do some work and I'm going to do it right here. All right, and then when I'm done with all that work, I might sit over here in this little area and drink a beer. I love the decor, you know, the upholstery is leather, really nice. Here you can, it's a center table and there's a sofa. It's even a pull-out bed, so if I should have some visitors, we can use that. There's a telephone. And when I'm done drinking my beer, you know where I'm going, in that king-size bed. I'm going to cuddle up and sleep. That mirror, of course, it's for decoration, but it's beautiful because you really can't see anything. I see the top of my head, and if I lift my arm, I can see it. And that's a decoration. I love these insects painting. I don't know what they are, but I love them. And the whole thing is, it is a Spanish hotel, and it gives that Spanish feel. You do get it. And look at this on the wall. There are three pictures, and it's together. It is the shape of the Jamaican, the map of Jamaica. Isn't that cool? That's on the left is Cornwall County, in the middle is Middlesex, and on the right is Surrey. And together that's Jamaica. It's nice. I really love it. This room is the junior suite, and for the junior suite, it's massive. It's massive. I'm loving it. And then we go outside. Outside is the balcony, and the room is all automatic. When you open the balcony door, it goes dark. The AC turns off. And this is the balcony. Nice place. I'm not gonna be using this tonight, but probably tomorrow. Nice place to have a relax, and it's pool view. If you turn a little bit to the left, there is sea view, but it's kind of hard to see. And yeah, that's my hotel room for now. I forgot to mention the ceiling fan. I always like these because sometimes the AC gets too cold and you just want, a little bit of ventilation in the room, and these are good.
My first impression of the room as I walked in was, ooh, it's big, because from where I was standing to the other end of the room was like really far. And then walking into the room, I glimpsed like a bathtub, which I love bathtubs. So that was really impressive. And then I walked and I saw the 2 beds, and it was just a spacious room and well put together. The color scheme was, you know, pleasing to the eye. So I quite like the room.
Okay. And the decor?
I think it's inspiring because it shows what you can do with a fairly limited color palette or you know things. It's a well-made bed made of white. It's a nice headboard, you know, but they come together in a very aesthetically pleasing way. So I really like the decor.
Open it down.
The right eye especially, like bad.
It's red too.
And night. Good mommy now